mabuhay, aloha, buenas, ni hao, aron suste, salamat sore, and many others.
Welcome to JCI Manila's Project Rise, Leg 1, Thriving Every Day Through Art. I know that this will surely help us in our everyday lives and with our mental health. And I'm also an art lover myself.
We all cannot deny that because of the COVID-19 pandemic, our everyday life at work has been very stressful. We need outlets to regain our strength and sanity.
We can't just push away the vulnerability and the challenges that we've experienced in this crisis. However, it's also within our power to rise.
That is why JCI Rise, Rebuild, Invest, Sustain, and Evolve becomes very relevant to our times.
Jasper, ready na? Okay, do we start? Okay, so what we're gonna do here, we're not making art so that it will be included in galleries or in museums. You'll be doing art for yourself.
Unless we pause, we're just hustling. We're dragged by that mindlessness.
And now I'm using the strength that I was able to gather to help others.
Yeah, thank you everyone for this wonderful event.
And of course, let's have fun.
I'm inviting you guys to join us for the second leg of Project Rise, and this time we're gonna be calling it Music and Well-Being.
Music is actually therapy. Music moves people, it connects people, it pulls heartstrings, and it acts like medicine.
Research has found that listening to music can relieve stress by triggering biochemical stress reducers. And what I'd like you to do is sing this. You can say, not all of us are made aware that perhaps we all can make music.
We can always change our brains for the better. It's within our capacity to change and adapt, even as adults.
Good day, JCI.
Welcome to Press and Play JCI. All right, this is a virtual team building to support mental health. We're very excited to be with you guys, so let's get going. We're coming together, even if virtually, just to connect with each other and still have that feeling of connectedness and camaraderie.
We hope every participant can enjoy the event and care about the mental health of your members and your community.
JCI Rise has already begun to making big impacts on the society with the projects we create.
Let us all continue to lead as one and be better. God bless and keep you and your family safe always.